Good morning, children. So, next we are going to start the week 4 enrichment sheet 1, and the lesson is measurements. So, before explanation of this lesson, once I'll read for you, then we'll go with the explanation part. All of you take page number 17, measurements. Measurements. Measurements help us to know the capacity of a substance. We need to measure many things every day, such as length, breadth, height, and weight of objects, capacity of liquid, time, and temperature. There are different instruments used for measuring each of these. Measurements of length. In olden days, people used to measure lengths by using their hands, arms, feet, or steps. They used handspan, cubit, footspan, and stride to measure the length of an object. Nowadays, we have fixed units or standard units for measuring things. A cubit was the first recorded unit to measure length. Cubit, an ancient unit based on the length of a forearm. Stride, to walk with long steps to measure the length. Meter. M is the standard unit for measuring length. Short lengths are measured in centimeters and long lengths are measured in meters. Measuring tapes, meter rods, and the rulers are the instruments used for measuring lengths. A ruler measures lengths in centimeters, millimeters, and inches. Next page, children. Measurement of capacity. Capacity is the quantity of a liquid which a vessel can hold. The commonly used units for measuring capacities are milliliters, ml, and liters, L. Small amounts of liquids are measured in milliliters and large amounts in liters. The measuring cylinders and measuring cans are the instruments mostly used for measuring the capacity. Measurement of weight. Weight tells us the heaviness or lightness of an object. Weight is usually measured in kilograms, kg, and grams, gm. Heavy objects are measured in kilograms and light objects are measured in grams. The common balance and electronic balance are the instruments mostly used for weighing. Measurement of time. Time is measured by using a clock or a watch. We measure time in seconds, minutes, and hours. A second is a small unit of time. Measurement of temperature. Next page. Temperature is measured of how hot or cold an object is. We use a thermometer to measure the temperature of things. Temperature is measured either on the centigrade scale or on the Fahrenheit scale. 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeters. 1 liter is equals to 1,000 milliliters. 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. 1 grams is equals to 1,000 milligrams. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So this is about the reading part. Now coming to the explanation. See, daily we will be measuring so many things in our daily life, like how much milk we have to use, how much water we have to use. See, for example, there is keeping the health in our point of view, we think that we have to drink daily 6 liters of water or 6 bottles of water we have to drink. And one more thing is, daily maybe your mother, she will be taking 2 liters of milk or 1 liter of milk according to your family. Means how many members are present in your family, that many liters of, like, according to the base, she will take either 1 liter or 2 liters of milk daily. And see, we go to grocery shop and we bring so many groceries. Like for 1 month, we may need 25 kgs of rice, or we may need 5 kgs of atta. Atta, you know, wheat flour. We do chapati, no, that one. And you need, maybe you need 1 kg of dal and 1 kg of uh, different items we bring daily. Your mother, she knows especially these all things because she will write a list of all the groceries in one paper, like 25 kgs of rice, okay, 2 liters of this one what oil, or 2 packets of oil, 1 kg of dal, 1 kg of this one, what you call this, suji, upma rava, okay, or 1 kg of idli rava, or 1 kg of black gram, 1 kg red gram. Like that, she will be writing all the list, and that list you will take to the grocery shop, or you may go to different supermarkets and you will buy all the things. And everything, whatever you are purchasing, you will weigh them. You will weigh according to the weight. Either you want 1 kg or 2 kgs or 3 kgs. That depend again upon to on your family members. How many members are there in your family? According to that, you will take a complete grocery for 1 month. Yes. So these measurements we come across daily in our life, and these are called as different measurements. And measurements are measured with, like, for liquid it is one quantity, so for liquids we measure different time, and for solids we measure. Yes, for example, for liquids means milk, water, oil, ghee. These are all measured in liters or milliliters. Solids means rice, wheat, atta, all different types of pulses, cereals, everything we measured in kilograms. Okay. And time, time we measured in seconds or hours. Like this, different instruments and different methods are used for measuring these things. Now coming to the measurements lesson. Your topic is measurements. Yes, children, measurements. So measurements help us to know the quantity of a substance, how much quantity we want. For example, just now I gave you no example. When you're going to a grocery shop, you want something to purchase. So how much you want, that and all you will take according to the quantity. For example, you want 1 kg. One more thing, you will go to like vegetable also. This market, vegetable market, you will go fruit market, you will go grocery shop, you will go there also. They will give you according to the weight only. For example, you want to buy 1 kg of potatoes or apples if you go to fruit market. So different things, whatever we are buying, whatever we are purchasing in our daily life, that depends upon the quantity. How much of quantity you want to take, that much of quantity you will take, because more if you take, what happen, they will spoil. So according to your sufficient convenience you will take. Okay. We need to measure many things every day. So we need to measure many things daily. We measure so many things every day. What are the things? Such as length, breadth, height, weight of an object, capacity of a liquid, time, and temperature. One, see, for example, length. Why we have to measure length? This length and breadth, no? Length, breadth, height, this where we can use it? We can use at the time of our house construction. Listen carefully, children. Some are yarning and not sitting properly. Sit properly. After finishing the explanation, again I'll ask questions. Sit properly. Yeah. See, length, breadth, and height. So these are measured at the time of our house construction. How much the room should be, how much length it should be, how much breadth it should be, how much height the room should be, how are the doors, windows, how many floors you have to take. Either you want a 1 floor building or 2 floor building. So all these measures we measure at that time. Next, coming to weight of an object. Suppose you want to take any object, you will go there and you will purchase according to the weight. Then capacity of a liquid. Liquid means, already I told you know that. For example, you want to take milk. You will measure milk in liters or milliliters. You want to take water. Nowadays we are purchasing water also. 15 liters can we are purchasing, or 5 liters can we are purchasing. When we travel through train, 1 liter bottles we will purchase. So this is called as capacity of a liquid. Then coming to time. So we measure time in seconds, minutes, and hours. For example, now it is 9:58. Means 9 hours 58 minutes, some seconds it is going on. After 2 minutes it will become 10. So time. Next, coming to temperature, how much the temperature is. For example, now it is in winter. Now we are in winter season. The temperature will be less. But when we come to summer season, there will be a yes increased temperature. So temperature is measured in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. So these are the different types of measurements we use regularly in daily basis, and different instruments are used for measuring these things. What are that instruments? See here. For measuring things, we use scales. For measuring time, we use clocks or watches. For measuring weight, we use a common balance. In olden days, there was a balance like this. You can see here, down one picture is there. It is called as a common balance. Nowadays, we are using electronic machines also. And these are the jugs which we use for measuring liquids. Liquids, we call it as a jugs. We measure with liquids. Then height, we measure in meters or centimeters. Then this is a thermometer, digital thermometer. You measure the temperature. You are going to hospital. Okay, you are going to hospital and doctor want to check you. He will take the thermometer and he will measure your temperature. Next, coming to, so these are the different types of things which we use to measure. Now, first, let us see one by one. Measurement of length. Yes, children, measurement of length. I said no already, length. So, in olden days, people used to measure the length by using the hands, arms, feet, or step. So, they used to count like this. See, like this. Can you see? Are you observing? Like this, they used to count. See, one, two, three. So, these are called as hand span. They are called as hand span. Are you observing, children? See here. They used to do like this. One, see, one, two, three, four. So they are called as hand spans. So people used to measure in olden days in such a way. And foot span, even they used to take the foot span and they used to measure. Hand span, cubit. Cubit means this one. So from here to here, from to here it is called as cubit. Okay. So they used hand span, cubit, foot span, stride. Stride means, see, how you keep a long step, that is called stride. For example, you are standing at one position and you're keeping a long step. So that is called as stride. I will show you here. See here. Sorry. This one. See. Hand span. You can see the pictures here, children. Hand span is hand span. Foot span. Cubit means from here to here. Cubit. And this one. Leg. How much big you are keeping your what foot, that much, that length is called stride. So these are the different measurements. Nowadays we have fixed units or standards for measuring length nowadays, but in olden days cubit was used. A cubit was the first recorded unit to measure length. Cubit was the first recorded unit to measure the length. Next, length is measured in meters. Meter is the standard unit used for measuring length. Length is measured in meters. Short lengths are measured in centimeters and long lengths are measured in meters. See, examples are measuring tapes, meter rods, and rulers. You know meter tapes. Yes, when you go to a shop, tailor, for stitching your clothes, he will take this meter tape and he will take all your sizes. How much length, how much breadth, everything he will take. And he will stitch according to your sizes. So this is a measuring tape. Next, coming to meter rod. This meter rod you can see in cloth shop. He will give how many meters of cloth you want, that many meters of cloth he will give. And ruler, scale you know already, all because we will be using different types of scales in our regular basis. Yes, scale. This is the scale. Next, A ruler measures length in centimeters, millimeters, and even inches also. A ruler measures in millimeters, centimeters, and inches. This ruler, the scale. See the small lines which are present on the scale, we can find the inches also on this scale. Are you observing, children? Everyone? Scale. Okay?